Originally I went to Amazon to look up a book on the Bronstein Cube, and I'll put a link to that in the description to this video. But what I found after I kept on trying to look up the Bronstein Cube, I kept on finding this CMY, cyan, magenta, and yellow cube, optic cube. It's a desktop toy or for, play around with to imagine things, I guess. And when I watched the YouTube video on the Bronstein Cube, the Bronstein Physics Cube, I immediately started thinking about my magic illusory cubes and how they could be applied to the Bronstein Cube. And I'm starting to get my fingerprints on here because my fingers are slightly greasy. So I need to find some cloth to rub that off. But started making me think of a cube within a cube. That's like my magic illusory cubes. And the Bronstein Cube, the Bronstein Physics Cube, has all 8 theoretical physical theories laid out on all the 8 corners, with the last corner being the theory of everything, and all these other corners. And again, I'll put a link to the Bronstein Physics Cube into the description. And the thing I saw in comparison with the Bronstein Cube is that I believe on one side, only on one face, 3 adjacent faces, are the magenta, the cyan, and the yellow. And the rest of them are uncolored, I think. And it's the mixing that gives them all these different colors and all these different geometric shapes, is the way the glass is coated. And the shape of the cube itself, of course, creates that inner cube, that apparent inner cube. And so I thought of applying my magic illusory cubes as if they were magic hybrid number cubes, because you only have 3 primary numbers. If you think of that in terms of the colors, blue for cyan, yellow, and magenta, you can think of those as 3 primary numbers that when you go across the cube, the central cube, that would hold the real number, it would produce a correct equation of something, of some number that would come out on the other faces of the cube. So, so all of these 3 ideas, the Bronstein Cube, the Bronstein Physics Cube, I'll put a link in the description, my own magic ghost number or magic hybrid number cubes, and this CMY Cube sort of come together in my own ideas. And so that's the reason I bought it. I just got it out today. I'm already getting fingerprints all over it. So, well, thanks a lot.